Good morning to everybody. I K Santoshi, English lecturer in English from Nalanda Plus 2 Science College. So your English divided into 4 parts. There are English 1, 2, 3 and 4. So pros and points have involved in your English 1. So let us see what are the pros lessons. Pros first lesson is my greatest Olympic prize, and second lesson is on examination, and third is the portrait of lady, and fourth is the magic of teamwork, and fifth is the development of polio vaccines. And next is the poems. So poems are Daffodils and the Ballad of Father Gilligan, Psalm of Life, Television and Money Madness. So totally 10 lessons, total 10 pros and 5 pros and 5 points totally involved in your English 1. So, and next is the invitation to English 2, that is your non-detail. The first lesson is your the doctor's word, and second is the nightingale and the rose, and third is the mystery of the missing cap, and fourth is the monkey's paw, and fifth is the my mother, and sixth is stay hungry and stay foolish. So totally 6 lessons have involved in your invitation to English 2 or non-detail. And next is the invitation to English 3. It is the writing skills. So totally 4 matters involved in this English 3. Now the first one is the interpreting graphs, charts, tables and diagrams. So graph charts, we give the diagram and you have to make the paragraph through the diagram. That is the interpreting graphs, charts, tables. We give pie chart or tables and any diagram also. And second is the reporting events and business matters. It is a report writing, look like application wise. And next number 3 is note making and summarizing. We gave the passes. You have to make the outlines, important outlines in your exam. And next, through the outlines, you make the paragraph. That is the summarization. And next, fourth is the extended writing. Okay, extended writing also same like that. You have to make the important lines, make the paragraph wise. So extended writing is the essay. 250 words you have to write in that essay. And next is the invitation to English 4. Invitation for English 4 is your grammar. So next number 1 is the revision of tense pattern and modal verbs. Already you have studied in your 10th and 8th, 9th classes. So again you have to revision in this class. And next the second is the passive, third one conditionals, and fourth direct and reported speech. And fifth is the interrogatives. Interrogatives is the question marks, 2 types, those are all. First one is the question, yes or no question, and second is the WH question, interrogatives, very easy. And next sixth is the phrasal verbs. So totally 6 lessons have involved in your invitation to English 4. Okay, so totally completed your course of study. Now I want to explain the question pattern. What is the question pattern of your English? Total 100 marks involved in your question pattern. Number 1 is the reading comprehension. Prose 10 marks. So we give 2 passes and give the questions also. So you have to search the answers in the passes and write the effective answers in your answer sheet, like 2 marks wise, and you have to give the exact answer to that question. So every question related to 2 marks, totally 10 marks. We give the 5 questions. And second is the poem. Poem also we give the stanzas wise and we give 5 questions and 2 marks wise answer, that is also. So you have to give the exact answer to that questions. And 6 is the book 2 as a non-detail or invitation to English 2. So 5 into 2 marks, totally long answer, we have to give the long answers from that book 2. So 5 marks each question. So 2 marks you have to attend the 2 questions, totally 10 marks. And next D is the unseen passes. You didn't read, and we do not also explain that lesson. Unknown passage, it comes in your English exam. So totally 5 questions comes in that passes. Then you have to search the answers from that passes, 2 marks wise, and totally 10 marks. And second is reading related skills. A is reading related skills. A is a vocabulary skills. C to be tested on the unseen passes. So totally we give vocabulary, some words we give from the unseen passes. You have to search the what is the exact meaning of that word. And next is the B, information transfer. 70 words you have to write the passes through the diagram. That is the word you have to make the paragraph in 70 words. That is the 5 marks. And next is the C, dictionary reference skills. The 5 marks, like that match the following wise you will see that is. And next you have to match the suitable meaning with sentence. And next is 3, writing skills. Reporting, report writing 200 words, that is 10 marks. And next note making 7 marks. Summarizing 8 marks. Already I have explained you what is the note making. We give the passes. You have to make the outlines and important lines you have to note there. And through the outlines you have to make the summarization, that is 8 marks. And next D is the extended writing, that is the essay. 250 words totally. You have to mention the 250 words in that essay. The marks are 10 marks. Totally 100 marks involved in your English subject or question pattern.